Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Shaz Tech. Today I'm going to be giving my in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. If you enjoyed this video and want more daily tech videos, make sure that you leave a like on the video and you subscribe. That will help me out massively. So obviously the Galaxy Note 10 is not out yet. However, I was lucky enough to get my hands on it through a retailer who allowed me to use the device for half an hour in their store. Now, I won't go through the basics that you know, such as the specifications. I tested out both the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So the Galaxy Note 10, as you know, has a 1080p screen, and when using that device, you can definitely notice the difference in screen resolution. That's because I'm so used to seeing the 1440p 3K display from Samsung in the S10. However, Samsung does have a vibrant mode in the display settings, which will drastically saturate the colors of the screen, which gives you a pleasant and amazing experience when looking at your display. However, it is noticeable that it's a 1080p screen. With the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, however, it is a 1440p AMOLED screen, exactly the same as the Galaxy S10. I also tried out the great new S Pen features, such as using the air gestures. I have to say that the S Pen features is a little bit of a gimmick. To be honest, I don't really see myself using the S Pen with the air gestures. I don't think anyone's gonna find it practical to hold down a button and use gestures instead of just using their finger. However, as we all know, the S Pen was very intuitive to use and very easy, especially the lovely blue color that I was using it in. While using the device, I found it very fluid due to Samsung's new One UI. It's been upgraded from the S10s to a One UI 1.2 version as opposed to the Galaxy S10's 1.1. The camera quality on both devices was brilliant. Even the selfie camera was a little better than the Galaxy S10's. Even though the camera is smaller, it still managed to shoot amazing selfie photos as well as ultra wide as a standard with the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 lineup. As with the processor, there wasn't much of a difference. This wasn't a massive upgrade over the S10. There is the Exynos 9825 chip being used, but there isn't any difference in that if you're not playing any games, and there is only a slight difference when playing games. Features a lot of compromises, yet it still has that high price. So if I were you, I would go with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus because it features everything that the Galaxy S10 has, as well as extra features such as the S Pen, the air gestures, the 3D camera sensor, micro SD slot, a bigger storage starting at 256 gigabytes. But if you do want it at a cheaper price, wait just a couple of weeks or months until the price goes down and you could grab yourself a bargain. I think that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the phone for you to buy in 2019. Thank you very much guys for watching my in-depth review of the Galaxy Note 10. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like on it and you subscribe. That will help me out massively. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.